Sir, tungkol naman sa manhunt operation natin kay Senator Bato de la Rosa, confident pa rin ba tayo na siya ay nasa bansa pa rin hanggang ngayon?
The same answer that I gave before na si Senator Bato, paniwala ako nandirito kasi ang ano natin dyan, para sa akin, mas magiging mahirap sa kanya kung pupunta siya na ibang bansa because there are a lot of member countries of ICC, there are about 122. And those other countries who are not member of ICC, they have a commitment with the Interpol, and the CRS warrant is also a subject ng Interpol. So, and since the warrant is made public, pwede na siyang maaresto anywhere.
Sir, yung estado ng pagtugis natin at pagtugaygay sa kanya, ano na yun sir sa ngayon? Malayo-layo pa ba tayo? Gaano na karami yung mga property, yung mga area na nasa lakay natin, kung pwede natin banggitin sir, kahit yun lang?
Well, we're receiving reports every day and we are following up all the reports. Just today, we have pag tinitingnan mo kasi, pag tinignan mo yung mga information, we have to process it kung alin talaga yung dapat sundan at hindi. So, meron kaming mga sinusundan na ilan na tingin namin pwedeng doon positive. Mabilis naman yan kung may makapagsabi talaga na eyeball, nakita talaga nila si Senator Bato eh. But rest assured that we are working on it every day. We have a dedicated team to locate him and arrest him.
Okay. Sir, yung may bahay niya, si Nancy de la Rosa, pinadala ng letter ng NBI, sumagot na po siya?
I have to check on that kung meron nang bumalik sa amin.
Yung investigation, sir, last na lang, yung investigation ng NBI sa Senate shooting noong May 13, meron na tayo, sir, conclusion dito? Paano ba? Intentional ba yung nangyari na
We have
pamamaril doon?
submitted a report to DOJ and the DOJ will be the one to come out with the official statement on the matter. Kasi
Okay, sir.
there's a panel created by DOJ, if you remember.
Okay, sir. Thank you.